Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be working on this finger right here, and I want to do a design with blooming gel, and I'm also going to do a 3D acrylic flower. So first I'm going to start off by filing the nail, making it nice and rough so I can apply the acrylic. So I'm going to be using this blue, Martini Blue from Mia Secret, which I love this color. It's so gorgeous. Turquoise color, very beautiful. And I'm also going to be using this pink, which I mixed myself, and it has a little bit of shimmer inside. Very pretty. I'm gonna start with the blue, and I want to do like a ombre situation type of thing, but I'm gonna do it in a diagonal position. I want it to fade in an angle. Once I have the blue like I want it, I'm going to start applying the pink, and I'm going to fade it into the blue. Now I'm going to encapsulate everything with clear acrylic, and I'm using Mia Secret's clear acrylic. This is how it looks after filing. So now I'm going to use the blooming gel, and I have this one from Your Sugar, and it's in clear. I bought this a long time ago on eBay. So I'm just going to do one coat of this, and I'm going to try to not make it so thin but not too thick, kind of in between, because if you use very little of it and you make a thin coat, it won't bloom as well. So just keep that in mind. I'm not going to cure it yet. I'm going to add a yellow gel polish that I have, and because I thought it was going to go well with the blue, I think it's going to pop a lot with the blue, and I'm just going to let the blooming gel do its magic. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in the lamp and cure it for a minute. So I'm gonna top coat it with a matte top coat because I want the surface to be a little bit more rougher, because I'm going to be doing a flower in acrylic, and I don't want the flower to slip and slide all over the place. So that's why I'm using the matte top coat. And I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to wipe off the sticky layer with alcohol. I'm just going to do a basic simple acrylic flower with 5 petals, so I'll let you watch it. So for the center of the flower, I'm going to be using one of these rhinestones. They're gorgeous, by the way. I'm going to be using the same clear acrylic to adhere the stone in the center of the flower, which I think it makes it more secure than just using glue or gel polish, in my opinion. So now I'm going to top coat the nail, and I'm going to be using Madame Glam's top coat. This one's glossy and it's one of my favorites so far. And I have a discount code with them. You can save 30% off at checkout. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box in case you're interested. So I'm going to apply that all over the nail, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. So here's the nail completely done. I hope you like it. I like the way it turned out. I really love that blooming gel. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.